Let's face it, writing is hard, and as a teen author who just finished writing her book, I know this better than anyone. I've learned things the hard way, and I don't want you to either. So we're going to be diving deep on all the things that helped me finish writing this book, and hope it'll help yours too. Number one, outline and plot everything. I've learned this thing sadly the hard way, and right now in my current writing process, I would write down everything from characters to kingdoms to all the story archetypes. When I started out writing in my first novel, I would be totally lost since I didn't outline. I didn't know where to go, what was going on in my story, and was just totally lost. So please don't forget outlining. Number two, start building your characters. Characters are the most important factor in writing a book, which makes your reader want to care and actually read the book. So to build proper characters, a lie they think is true, a backstory that made them believe it, their fears and what they want over the course of the story are important factors you need to include in your characters to make them real and 3D and realistic, such as my own characters, Felix and Mystical, but I will go more on them in a future video. Number three, start the writing process and stay consistent. Consistency is key. I cannot emphasize it more than that, which is why I suggest for new writers to use the Pomodoro technique, which is a very cool technique that helps you focus. And I'm not saying to write every day if that's not for you, but just once in a week or twice in a month, as long as you keep your story going. Number four, read a lot of books. This rule is so important, and many writers or new writers always forget this rule. Reading is what makes your writing better. You see how other authors plot their stories, their characters, and how they structure sentences and the whole plot structure. You learn while you read. As a writer and an avid reader, I would read tons when I'm drafting. Like, I'd read a lot. And remember, the best writer is always the best reader. Number five, keep learning about writing. Writing is like a muscle. You have to keep training it and giving it things it needs in order for it to grow nicely. And I would learn so much from YouTube or TikTok, and you can too. There are so many free resources and writing crafts out there that you can use and help grow your own writing and help others and share your knowledge. Now, before I end this short video, I just want to talk a bit about the work in progress I'm working on, The Hidden Kingdom, which is an enemies to lovers to enemies. Both the MMC and the FMC are driven by vendetta and powers that were never meant to be theirs, and it's a dark fantasy with romance where no one can be trusted. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and I hope it helped you. Please do subscribe and let me know about you. Comment about your stories or your fave stories. That's all for now.